Hello and welcome. In this video, we will show you how to create projects and add devices in Pallas. When you log into Pallas for the first time, operation prompts will pop up. Please read it carefully. First, you need to complete the Add Network operation. You can click on the top right corner, select, and add networks. After entering information such as name, password, and time zone, click OK to complete the project creation. Click on the top right corner again. Select Add Device. Choose which project to add to, and fill in the information of the input device. Click Device Add Complete to successfully add. Thank you for watching.